So now the next topic is the secondary sexual characters. Students, in the previous chapter we learned that testes and ovaries are the primary sexual organs which help to distinguish between the male and the female. Okay, so there are two types of sexual characters in human: primary sexual character and the secondary sexual character. The sexual character which are present since birth are called the primary sexual characters, and the primary sexual characters are directly involved in reproduction. Okay, the sexual character which are controlled by hormones which distinguish between sexually mature males and females but are not involved in reproduction are called the secondary sexual character. Okay, so the main secondary sexual characters in human beings are: first, in boys, hair grows under the armpits and in the pubic region between the thighs, that is genital area. Okay, hair grows on the other body parts like chest, face, like mustache and beard. Okay, body becomes more muscular due to the development of muscles. Voice deepens due to growth of voice box. Chest and shoulders become broaden, increase in the stature. Adult males are taller than adult females on an average. Okay, heavier skull and bone structure. Testes start producing sperm. Okay, so all these changes in adults and boys are brought about the secretion of the male sex hormone, that is टेस्टोस्टेरोन. मीन्स जो भी ये चेंजेस, जितने भी हमने चेंजेस डिस्कस किए हैं जो आते हैं बॉयज़ में, दैट आर ड्यू टू द male sex hormone, that is testosterone. It is produced in the testes. Okay, what about the female? In female, hair grows under the armpit and the pubic region. Ovaries start to release eggs. Menstruation cycle or the monthly period cycle starts. Development of breast, hip broadens and become more curved and prominent. A high pitched voice develops. Okay, the ovary starts producing eggs. The secondary sexual characters in girls are produced by the female sex hormone, that is progesterone, and the estrogen that is formed in ovary. Students, we are talking about the hormones: male hormone, female hormones. Now what are the hormones? The physical, mental and the natural emotional changes occur at adolescent periods are controlled by hormones. Hormones are the chemical substances which coordinates the activities of living organisms and their growth. Okay, hormones क्या होते हैं? Chemical substances which coordinates the activity of living organisms and their growth. Hormone act as a messenger that's why they are called the chemical messengers of the body. Hormones are secreted by the endocrine glands. There are so many endocrine glands in our body. Students, there are two types of glands in our body. Some are the exocrine and some are the endocrine. Exocrine होते हैं that release the secretion with the help of duct. For example, salivary gland secretes saliva in the mouth. Similarly, digestive gland secrete digestive juices in the digestive tract. तो endocrine glands होते हैं that release the secretion directly into the blood stream, जो directly blood में ही secretions देते हैं. ठीक है, like pituitary gland, adrenal gland. ठीक है, and the reproductive glands are the endocrine glands. Now students, see the picture on the screen which shows how these endocrine glands functions. Students, endocrine glands release hormone directly into the bloodstream. Okay, hormones are the chemical messengers that carry information and instructions. Okay, hormones are transported by the blood circulation. A hormone reaches a specific body part such as organ, tissue, cells where the message to be sent. Such body part is called the target site, and target site respond to the hormone. ठीक है, टारगेट साइट क्या होता है? दैट इज़ द साइट वेयर द हार्मोन नीड्स टू बी एक्ट. लाइक अगर प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन रिलीज हो रहा है तो उसको कहाँ पे जाके एक्ट करना है. इसलिए अगर कोई भी और हार्मोन है जहाँ पर्टिकुलर साइट पे जाके उसको एक्ट करना होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द टारगेट साइट. ओके, and when hormone reach the target site, then brings about the changes in the body, that onsets of puberty. Okay, still all about the role of hormone in the body. Students, these all the hormones are under the control of hormones secreted from the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland secretes many hormone, one of which is that is luteinizing hormone. Okay, it stimulates testes and ovaries to release testosterone and the progesterone. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हम क्या है, pituitary gland को master gland कहते हैं. Okay, because ये सारे glands को stimulate करता है उनकी secretions के लिए. Now the next topic is the reproductive phase in human, कि human में reproductive phase कब आता है. The adolescent become capable of reproduction when testes in boys start producing sperm and the ovaries in girls start producing eggs. Okay, in women the reproductive phase begins at puberty, that is 10 to 12 years. Okay, and generally lasts till the age of approximately 45 to 50 years. But the capacity of producing gametes lasts for a much longer time in males than in females. In men, the reproductive begins at puberty and lasts as long as he is healthy throughout in life. Okay, but in females it lasts for 40 to 50 years. Next is the menstruation. Students, in females, as we know that ovary produces one egg every month, right, and the uterus prepares to receive the fertilized egg that we learnt in class in the previous chapter, right. Its wall become thick with blood vessels. If the fertilization does not take place, then the uterus wall breaks and come out of the vagina as blood and mucus. This cycle takes place once every month and this is called the menstruation period. But if the egg gets fertilized, means the fusion of the sperm and the egg takes place, menstruation stops and the female gets pregnant and the fertilized egg get embedded in the uterus for further development, that we have learnt in chapter 9 even. Okay, so there are two stages during the menstruation. One is the menarche, that is first menstrual flow, which begins at the puberty in women. That stage is called the menarche stage. Okay, this marks the beginning of reproductive life in female. Okay, and the next stage is the menopause, the stoppage of menstruational cycle at the age between 45 to 50 years in female is called the menopause stage. Okay students, when menstrual cycle stops, it takes place at the age of 45 to 50 years. Next is the sex determination of a baby. How can we identify the sex of the baby? Students, as we know, human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell. Okay, out of this, 2 are the sex chromosomes called X and Y. The female has 2 X chromosome and the male has 1 Y and 1 X chromosome. Okay, the sperm and egg have one set of sex chromosomes. Some sperms have X chromosomes and some have Y chromosomes. All eggs have X chromosomes. But if sperm having X chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosomes, the child will be a girl. If the sperm having Y chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, the child will be a boy. Here you can see in the picture even the cross section. In this you can see male XY and the female XX. जब क्रॉसिंग होती है अगर तो XX मेटिंग होती है, X egg और X sperm, then गर्ल पैदा होती है, and अगर एक X and Y फ्यूज होता है तो बॉय होता है. Okay, so the sex of the baby totally depends upon the father's sperm, not on the mother's egg. Why? Because the mother to have the same chromosome, both XX, but the father is having different chromosome. One is the X and the one is the Y. So it's totally depend upon the father for the sex of the baby. Okay, but in our tradition, mother is responsible for the birth of a girl and boy, which is totally incorrect. Hope this cross is clear to you. Sex determination, you must know that there are 23 pairs of chromosome in human body. One is the out of which 2 are the sex chromosomes and rest are called the autosomes.